What's up, Amina? How's the going?
I am fine, Rachel. What is it with all EDCT professors? They are all tall.
Really? Sounds like it's true. Yeah, Dr. David Moore is very tall.
He is surely tall. My physics teacher was like him, tall too. And very intimidating.
But wait a minute. Not all EDCT professors are tall. Don't you think so?
No, I don't agree with you at all.
Dr. Franklin is short and she is an EDCT professor.
You've got me on that one, ha 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 ha.
What about Dr. Genius and Sense? Are they not short?
Yes, they are short. Well then, I realize we cannot generalize everything because we have exceptions.